What was the ratio of hot dogs and hamburgers sold to the number of soft drinks sold? What is the ratio of? That means it's going to be a fraction. All right? Ratio of hot dogs, HD, and hamburgers, HB, to soft drinks, FD, SD, soft drinks. All right, well, what are we going to do with and? Whenever it says and, we're combining. That means we're going to add. So how many hot dogs did we have? We had 14 hot dogs and 28 hamburgers to 50 soft drinks. All right, what are we going to do? Add these guys. 14 and 28 gives me 42 to 50. Now simplify it. 42 to 50. Pull out a factor of 2, and I get 21 to 25. So 21 to 25. What is the ratio of hot dogs and hamburgers sold to the number of soft drinks sold? 21 hot dogs and hamburgers to 25 soft drinks. All right, last problem. Miss Mickus bought 4 markers for $3.25. At this price, how much will 10 markers cost? Well, I know my rate is 4 markers for $3.25. I want to know how much 10 markers cost. So let's set up my ratio table. 4 markers, M-A-R-K-E-R-S, cost $3.25. Now, I need to know how much 10 markers cost. But 4 doesn't go into 10 evenly. So, well, you could divide 10 by 4 to figure out what decimal, or you can just say, hey, let's change it to 1. Can't you always figure out how much 1 marker costs? Yeah, all you got to do is divide by 4. So what are you going to do to 325? Divide by 4. So 325 divided by 4 gives me 0. 4 goes into 32 8 times. All right, bring down my 5. 4 goes into 5 1 time. All right, and drop down my 0. 4 goes into 10 2 times. And that's going to be left with 2. Add another 0. 4 goes into 20 5 times. So that's going to be 0.8125. Don't worry about that, it's fine. So basically, 1 marker costs about 81 cents. Well, if 1 marker costs about 81 cents, excuse me, sorry about that, guys. If 1 marker costs 81 cents, how much would 10 markers cost? Well, what are you going to do to 10? Multiply by 10. So we're going to multiply by 10. So anytime you multiply 10, it moves your decimal over 1 place, or use your calculator. That's going to be 8.125. Well, how much money is that? 10 markers? Well, normally it's only 2 places past the decimal. So that'd be $8.12. But the 5 tells the 2 to round up to 13. 5 tells the 12 to round up to 13. So it will cost $8.13 for 10 markers. All right, guys. Click on the Class Kick link to do your quiz. Good luck.